Yeah, just like you just watch, zooming out of the universe, you just need two tools to use, and these tools are free. Today I'll be showing you how you can do that for free. And these AI tools you're using, you don't have to pay. It is completely for free. You can use it for fun. You can use it for your faceless content. A lot of trending social media videos now on TikTok, on Instagram are making use of this. You can even use it to create your own story. So quickly I'll be showing you how you can do that. But please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, hit on this on the subscription button. Here on this channel, I do a lot of wonderful things. I teach AI, and you want to get subscribing to this channel. So quickly, let's dive in. Let's see how you can zoom out of the universe. You can zoom out of the earth. This is so fun. You can even use to create fun for your family, and for your motion picture, for your videos as well. You just zoom out and then bam, you are back to the earth again. All right, so let's dive in. This video is for educational purpose, so please uh don't use it for criminal offense. So don't use it to go and commit crime and do a video of somebody did not do. It's just for cruise. So let's dive in. Let's see how you can zoom out of the universe. All right, so let's go. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and drop a comment if you have any question. Let's go. All right, so the first thing you do is you go to your ChatGPT. Now, if you are new on ChatGPT, you register with your email or your Gmail, anyone. Okay. So after registering, this is the prompt. You ask ChatGPT to generate your picture with two of your pets. So if your pet is maybe snake and lizard, you can say, okay, I need anaconda and maybe war gecko or chameleon. So you pick your pet, your two animal, and if it is bird, you can say maybe eagle and maybe flamingo. So just like I did here, you can see it comes out so nice. It came out so wonderful. So this is the first step. You go to ChatGPT, register with your email, then ask the ChatGPT with your prompt to generate two animals. Or if you don't want to use animal, if you just want your picture, you can say two celebrity beside you. Then after this, the next area we are going to go to that will generate the video is PixVerse. And this is PixVerse. PixVerse, you register with your email as well if you're new, and this is for free. Every day you'll be given 60 coin minimum or 60 credits. And this credit, if you want to generate most of the video, they comes in 20 credits. So if you want more, you do some activities or you wait for the other day so that you get your coin. And it has a lot of videos that you can just use as templates. You don't have to write prompt. Just pick any of your video of your choice. Then it will recreate exactly what you are seeing. You can see they have a lot of videos. So, but if you feel like you want to create your own prompt, you can just put your picture and ask PixVex to generate your idea, and the video will come out so nice. You can see some of the video. So since you are using zoom out of the universe, so this is the template already. So I don't have to write again to use this because I have a template that have been written already. So I'll just go to my picture, pick a picture from my gallery. Now this picture was generated with ChatGPT, don't forget. So, but if you want your own picture, so you can create any picture, maybe you can even use video, so that while you are walking, you will zoom out of the universe and come back again. All right, so you can see you load it. The PixVerse is so fast that within in less than a minute your video is ready. So it's one of the AI that's the speed of generating video is so fast, and in fact any other prompt you ask, it comes out so wonderful. Now here is the video, very fast. You can see it came out so nice. So this is how to use PixVerse to generate zoom out of the universe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.